What's good, family? I'm Sierra.Long with Keller Williams Realty. I also own my own real estate company, Precise Realty Co. And so today I just wanted to do a quick video about the market in Indianapolis. I am an Indiana realtor, so I just wanted to give some market trends, some market updates. Is it a good time to buy or sell or invest? So this video is for you if you're on the cusp of buying, selling, waiting. Check this out. So first off, the Indianapolis market is shifting into a much more balanced market compared to the craziness we saw a few years ago. Homes are still selling, but buyers are definitely becoming more selective, and homes are taking longer to move than they did during the peak sellers market. So right now, the average home value in Indianapolis is sitting around the low to mid 230 range, depending on the area and the prices. So we're not seeing huge price jumps anymore, but we're also not seeing a market crash like a lot of people predict. One of the biggest things affecting the market is the interest rates, of course. Mortgage rates are currently hovering around the mid 6% range, which is still higher than what buyers got used to during the pandemic years. Because of that affordability, it has become the number one concern for a lot of buyers. I mean, affordability is always the number one concern. Buyers today are paying more attention to monthly payments than they are to the actual purchase of the home. So here's the interesting part. Inventory in Indianapolis has actually been increasing. That means buyers have finally more options and a little more negotiating power. That's good. So we're seeing more price reductions, seller concessions, and homes sitting on the market longer if they are overpriced or not updated. There are tons of new inventory homes on the market. So for sellers, this means strategy matters more than ever. You can't just throw a house on the market anymore and expect 20 offers in one weekend. Pricing correctly, staging, professional photos, and marketing is huge right now. So the homes that are move-in ready and priced correctly, they're still selling fast, and they're selling first. Overpriced, they're sitting a little longer. So for buyers, honestly, this is one of the better opportunities we've seen in the past few years because there's less competition and there's more room to negotiate. So some sellers are even helping with closing costs or rate buy downs, which can save buyers a lot monthly. Investors, they're still paying attention to Indianapolis too, because compared to a lot of major cities, Indy is still considered affordable. Rental demand remains fairly strong in many areas, especially around growing suburbs and redevelopment zones. Another thing I'm watching closely is neighborhood specific trends. Certain areas of Indianapolis are moving very differently than others. Some neighborhoods are still extremely competitive, while others are cooling off more noticeably. So real estate has become very hyper local, so having an agent who actually understands the area matters a lot right now. Overall, I describe the Indianapolis market right now as stable but strategic. So buyers have more leverage than they've had in years. Sellers can still make strong profits if they position their home correctly, and everyone is paying closer attention to affordability and value. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or even if you're just curious of what your home could sell for in today's market, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help you navigate. Again, my name is Sierra.Long. I'm with Keller Williams Realty. So give me a call at 765-275-1605, and we could have a consultation. I can walk you through some strategies for selling your home or for buying a home. I'll help you strategically price your home so that it's not sitting on the market forever. I'll help you buy a home. And there are new builds out here who have interest rates better than the 6%. So give me a call. I'll help you navigate your home buying journey. I look forward to it.